Okay, look, I know I was bad about recording the actual wrap in the last video. I only showed one section, quarter panel, right? This is the final video of the wrap, so it changes now. We are gonna wrap fender now, then hood. Well, actually fender, other door, hood, and front bumper. And we are done. Oh, minus the side skirt, we gotta do the side skirt. But then we'll be done. So I figured, you know, I should just record the rest of the whole wrapping thing. You know, it might be, I'll try to put in good music so it's not a boring time lapse, and I won't include like the full like clip. I'll just include the important parts of the time lapse, but I will record this time. Here it is. This is how I wrap things personally. I'm not saying I'm a professional rapper. I've said this before, I'm not a professional rapper by any means, but I think I can do a pretty decent job, and I'm confident enough in my skills to wrap the whole car. So this is where we stand now. That's all we need left, and the car will be done. So get ready for the transformation. Let's go. So I checked the clip, the time of the clip on the camera, and it took me 26 minutes to do that fender. But did you see my two mistakes? I made a stupid mistake, like when I was cutting the back paper, I accidentally sliced into the vinyl a little bit, so I tried to lay it back down as best as I can, but I'm probably just gonna redo it again anyways. It's not bad, it's really not noticeable. And the other mistake was right here, probably can't see it on camera because I stretched it enough. Like I was like a millimeter away from reaching where I needed to be because I pulled the vinyl up a little too much. So I just like stretched it just a little bit, like 2 millimeters to get it over and under the fender well. So that's all fixed. I don't really like the little, you could tell there's like a little line between where like I kind of sliced it a little bit. It's not bad, it's honestly not bad at all. Other than that, the fender came out pretty perfect. I can't really complain. So I'm gonna do the other side. I'm not gonna record the other side because you already see me do one fender, but I'll record when I do the hood and the other door. Let's get on to that now. Well, it's gonna be a little while for me, really Thanos snap for you guys.
I pull up gently in my Amish whip, Versace diamonds on my wall, my drip, yeah. Keep my milkshake in the cooler bag. My Gucci shirt still has a Google tag. I pull up gently in my Amish whip, Versace diamonds on my wall, my drip, yeah. I keep my milkshake in the cooler bag. Gucci shirt still has a good old tag. Bus stop limo takes me many places. Entourage consists of unfamiliar faces. I tip the driver before we stop the ride. Business locations always reached on time, like Chipotle. I'm getting double chicken, I pay extra. I know a couple tricks and drink soda.
Finally time, ladies. It is here. Whoa, look at that. The car's finished. Not every piece is finished. The wing's not finished because, let me tell you why. If you're paying, oh, that's a good shot. That's a good ass picture right here. I like this angle. So if you're paying attention to the last video with the wrap, when I said we fucked up the roof, well, we got to the end. We have enough for the roof. And let me show y'all something before we even get to the pretty stuff, okay? Before I even show you the full car. Look what happened on the hood. Can you even see this on camera? It doesn't even show on camera really. Okay, right here, you see that outline? You see this one? So after we cut a piece of the vinyl, since we were running low, you know, I didn't want to waste any pieces because I tried to save as much as possible, so I redo the other quarter panel. We cut this piece, and the vinyl had a tear in it. Like, it had a tear right there, and it had like a hairline tear right there. No idea why or how that happened, but that was just there when we cut the vinyl already, sadly. So I just left it like that. We have another piece for the hood still left over that we're gonna redo the hood with. We already redid the roof. All we gotta redo is the quarter panel. And I kind of want to redo the front bumper. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really like the front bumper. It's okay, it's decent. I'm not gonna lie, it's decent. But to my personal standards, I'm telling Nikki, I kind of want to redo it. And you're like, why we gotta redo the front bumper? Rip. I don't know. I'm very picky. This is my car. You know, it's my baby. I'm just very picky. And look at, I have a lot of facial hair right now because I haven't trimmed or shaved. I have long hair. Woo. The pink is gonna go away because I'm probably gonna cut it tomorrow. And I'm gonna miss the pink. Not gonna lie, but that's not the topic of the video. You ready to see the car? Let me show you this. Tell me she doesn't look mean though. Oh, ugh. Look at her, even wingless. So I have enough for the wing still, but I want to redo the hood before I even wrap the wing. I could use that piece for the hood that I have left over, like the 4 feet I need for the wing, but I really rather redo the hood because those little scratches right there are bothering me. We'll probably do it sometime this week, maybe Thursday, who knows, Friday. But this is the car. Look at her. You know what? Let's get some cinematic slow-mo good shit. Here you go, enjoy. So that is it for the STI wrap content. I don't think you guys want to see me wrap the rest of the stuff, but if you do, just let me know. I don't mind recording the wrap sessions. You know, I didn't do it the first video, but the second video I recorded a lot of stuff for the wrap, so you can see exactly how we did it. I mean, it's not perfect. Like, hey, it looks pretty perfect on camera, but it is not perfect. There are a couple little things that I want to go over and refix, which I'm gonna do, like I said, because I'm very picky. But for now, I'm happy with how she sits. All I gotta do is get that wing wrapped, and we'll be done. Until the next video, though, I'm out of here. It's time for me to go enjoy this car. It's been sitting. I took my time with this car, actually, so I don't even want to I'll get into that next video, but I let it sit for like a week, pretty much. So I'm gonna go enjoy it. Catch everybody later, and let me know if you like the STI color. Bye.